Right, rise and shine, loved ones. Y'all, this is like my 10th alarm, but I'm for real gonna get out of bed this time. Today, I am getting ready to go to the DMV to take a new driver's license picture. But in the meantime, my freaking kitty is playing with my hair per usual, so we're just gonna practice. After that, I just started to wash my face. Just a simple cleanse. I had to pull my hair out the freaking way, but yeah, I use a black soap like random once or twice out the week because it really does dry my skin out, but it does really cleanse. As you'll see, like I put it everywhere, but I'm really focusing on my T-zone. Along with everything else, I clean underneath my nose ring and my lips, leave it on for about 5 to 10 seconds. And in the meantime, y'all brush y'all teeth, Lord, for real. But no, rinse it off. Towel dry and moisturize, y'all. I had to go bring my son to school, and yes, I did take a smoke break, but I got back to it. Yeah, I usually pull my hair out the way and start on my edges. I use the Aussie Freeze Spray. It's just fire. Then I had to pull my hair back. I like the Eco Booster, some shit, edge control. It's really fire. Look at them edges, y'all. Just pull them up, and then I'm gonna hit my eyebrows. So I usually use a simple pencil. Couldn't find the shit, but it's just a simple brow pencil. You start with an outline, blot out, and then you fill it in. Blot out. Okay. Now it's time to blend it out, ladies. We do not want them to be this dark, or if you do, shit, okay. But go ahead and clean them up while you add it. I use the PRO.conceal. My shade is for me, so find a shade that fits you, but I blend it out with my finger. I highly recommend your finger because you got more control, smaller cleanup to do, and then just blend like your heart can't take no more. Not for real. You'll see when I conceal, I'm bringing the product up and I'm moving the bulkier part of it around. I'm using the same PRO.conceal here for my contour, but just a different method for a different result. So snatching my nose up, I go around. I like my button nose and my snatch sides, and to clean that up I use my setting powder. It's a loose powder, y'all. Just don't take your time, don't do that because there's no need, y'all. Let it line up because when it sets, so you better wipe that shit off just as quickly as I am because it will set. I'm not kidding. Dust it off and move on. The last parts of my face are usually my cheeks to dust because I would like the powder to set a lot longer. And then here you'll see me just bronzing up my contour. This palette was something simple from the beauty supply store because I'm a simple gal. I don't like all them extra colors and it really don't take a lot. Just move the product around. Do not let it sit in one area. And don't get too heavy-handed. Again, move it around. Remember where you contoured. Go back for that nose. I'm still on my button. Yes, I am. Up. But for real, if you use the right methods and apply the right amount of pressure, you'll be surprised at the results you can get. Y'all, if you blend that product up into your eye, it'll just look like it naturally flows off your face. Dust it out so it's a nice blend. Here you'll see that I really didn't want to use that other palette, so I went back into my stash and I found my Mary Kay that was gifted to me, y'all. I only applied the product halfway on the brush, so I didn't apply too much on my cheek. And y'all, I told you, it only takes a little bit. But yeah, dust it out, move it around, y'all. Just feel your face out. It's meant to be a natural, flowy look. I know where my cheek is. That's why I looked as crazy as I did. But I cleaned up one more time below the cheek and maybe smoked. I don't know who that is, honestly. Okay, but nah, to clean up, lastly, I just sprayed down my face with my setting spray. That is that e.l.f. I got that at CVS. And then my boom mascara. I don't even like mascara that much, y'all. But to make my eyelashes pop, this right here, like Maybelline, always be coming through. I move it around just a little bit. And look, you see what happened? That's my point. Don't say nothing about my face. Anywho, yeah, I'm done, y'all. I'm telling you, simple steps. 1, 2, 3. Mwah. But nah, for real, how I look. Tell me, rate the 10. Okay, don't judge my dancing. I can't dance, and we all know it, but